guys. Today we're from the group L3.
L3! Yeah!
And today we're going to present you about the coal power plant and how it affects to the society. Let's go! Woo! Let's go!
Now about the history of coal. Coal was first used when it dated back to 1000 BC, where it was first used by the Chinese to smelt copper. It is introduced to Europe when Marco Polo traveled to China during the 13th century. It is then used by the Britain for funeral pyres. And afterwards, it is used in the during the Roman age for smelting iron. Coal is then massively used during the Industrial Revolution as part of the steam engine, which then became very popular during the time 1700 to 1950. And unfortunately, during the period 1750, there were 750,000 miners, and by the time it was 1950, the miners reduced from 750,000 to 5,000 miners. Coal is an abundant resource with a world consumption of 7.25 billion tons, and is expected to increase 48% by 2030.
Get out! Get out! It's my turn! Hi! Let's talk about the reason why we choose this topic. First reason is we want to know how the coal power plant affect to our society. For example, the coal power plant at Mammoth, how it affect to that society around the town. The next reason is we want to know about the history of the coal power plant in every country in the world, such as like the first country that invented is China, in Thailand, or every country else. Third reason is in Thailand has many coal power plants, such as Mammoth power plant or every power plant else. The last and the most important reason that we choose this topic is this topic is related to our engineering field. For example, in my field, mechanical engineering, the coal power plant is the basics of it.
Alright, let's go see some opinions. What do you think is the effect on society about the invention?
Well, let me think. Let me tell you the drawback first. First, people have to move their house. And second, the pollution is created because the burning of coal could cause the carbon dioxide. And finally, it causes the global warming. And third is the noise of the construction could disturb the surrounding neighbor. And fourth, the price of the land might drop. And fifth, the power plant might someday explode and cause a last disaster. And let me tell you the benefit. The first benefit is the job is created. The jobs such as the worker, the engineer can work in the power plant with higher wages. And second, it increased the electrical production, so electricity supply is enough for people.
Alright, thank you. After some silence response, and some very good response.
Hey, get out, man! Get out!
What? I'm so phone in.
What are the effects of coal power plant to Thai society?
In my opinion, the coal power plant has been affecting to the social public health. The impact of the coal dust is respiratory disease, and the coal power plant has been affecting to the pollutant in the air. The gas emission due to the carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and the product of the agriculture has been damaged. Low productivity. I think the coal power plant must be located outside the urban area for the reduced product occur.
So we just got a man's opinion. Now let's see some women's opinions.
The effect of coal has been on Thai society. Coal crossing pollution activity resulting from the combustion of fuel and effect to reproduce system that accumulate in the body to be carcinogenic in Thai society, which had a direct impact on the agriculture community greatly, because when the human consume fish or aquatic animal that has been poisoned. In addition, when factory diffuse the smoke, which is dangerous to the health of most people.
Surprisingly, the Thai government has planned to build more and more power plants in the future. I really can't imagine what Thai society is going to be like for 10 years from now.